flashlight fear. It is my divine power.
That sound cube truck over there.
Pretty good, man. What's going on?
Oh, not much.
Isn't this Bobby Gately's friend's truck?
Oh, it's EXO again.
How are you, kind sir?
Good, how are you?
I liked our demo last time.
Yeah?
I sure did.
Nice, man. Nice.
It wasn't too long ago. It was this year, wasn't it?
Yeah, Slam.
It was, yeah, a couple months or a month ago. Yeah.
Yeah. It's awesome. I know you're going to be here. That's where you live, semi-local, right?
North Carolina, 6-hour drive, not bad.
Not bad at all.
It's got the nice shades back here.
Yes, sir.
All right.
How you doing, my man?
Good, man. You all right?
Yeah, how you been?
Good.
I was wondering if you were going to be here.
Yeah.
I came across your page yesterday. I was like, oh. My daughter's first hair trick.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Good seeing you.
Hey, bro, you're way louder and way
All I got is suits and gators. Y'all niggas lost, and I'm Las Vegas. Sorry, y'all ain't got no haters. Everybody love Black Cash, Darth Vader. You and your woman, wanna see me coming. Come through bumping. Little kids running, chasing me down like the ice cream truck.
Yeah, I missed this one at Slam, so I couldn't wait to get in. I was like, hey, he's here. I'm so happy.
Back and relax, relax. You're about to get rustified.
Sorry, y'all ain't got no haters. All I got is motherfucking players. We get money in motherfucking layers. Sorry, y'all ain't got no haters. Sorry, y'all ain't got no haters. All I got is maids and waiters. All I got is suits and gators. Y'all niggas lost, and I'm Las Vegas. Sorry, y'all ain't got no haters. Everybody love Black Cash, Darth Vader. You and your woman, wanna see me coming. Come through pumping. Little kids running, chasing me down like the ice cream truck. These police, they never like me up. I'm their nigga, baby, like me up. Fucking out bad, like me up. They always hold me down, raise me up. And all these women wanna take me up. Never come.
Pierce Audio 15, so I'm 2 Audio Legion 3500s.
In the fourth order?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Good deal. What's the tune to?
45.
45. Oh, you built the box?
It's 2.5 to 1.
All right, cool,
Yeah,
man.
real note, yeah.
Hey, appreciate the demo, man.
No problem.
Yeah, you sound like a winner to me. Laugh out loud, it's DJ Rusticles. Hello? What's up, man? Alright, listen up. I got you. I got you. I ain't cutting. You wanna cut that preamp down? Straight. Yeah, like that low feel. Check. I ain't no sound. What you want, tell me what you need. Got the boy.